EMO was the biggest machine tool show in the world. There was huge things happening, and when I got my opportunity to come, I'm here. Yeah, I mean, walking right into the DMG Mori hall, right? It's not a booth, it's a hall, and being able to talk to Irene Baker and the team and see all the amazing machines, you know, seeing Kennametal, seeing Blaser, just seeing, you know, all the huge, just all the booths are just so much bigger here. They're amazing. All the latest technology is on display. Absolutely love it. So what I see is people taking great pride in producing products and selling those products to make a living. And as I walk through, I've seen a lot of people working on education and stuff. But one of the things that I try to highlight is that everybody can work on it, but you have to be held accountable also to teach the right things. So Germany and other countries, you guys are very serious about it, and you're doing high-level things. So with our academy, we're doing the exact same thing. Let's do high-level things that when you learn it, you actually deserve good money and good positions in companies, so that we're not wasting our time, right? Let's get the kids excited about it and show, like, it's not a dirty place. Like, we're making rocket parts in clean facilities. We're making submarines and everything in between. So that's one thing that our academy does, bring awareness to millions of people around the world. The views of our content was 325 million. That's unheard of in this industry. So we're all connected via social media, via the web, and through that we're pushing education out, and we're allowing for free download. So like at no other time in history could people learn this quickly.